Christmas is just around the corner, so it's time to start planning the things you'll buy for this joyous and remarkable occasion. This is why we've put up the list of the 10 best Christmas gifts of 2022. Continue watching the video till the end. Let's jump right in. Number 10. Digital picture frame. Receiving a few gorgeous photos can bring you and your loved ones closer when you feel like you're worlds apart. Printing every single photo from our phones, hard drives, or the cloud is impractical, and there's never enough wall space to hang them all. But you can fix that with a digital picture frame. The Kodak digital picture frame looks wonderful in any room of your home or office, thanks to its unique decorative gray wood style. For Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas Day, and other significant occasions, a Kodak digital frame is the ideal gift. Over 10,000 high-resolution photos can be stored in its 16-gigabyte internal memory. Kodak has made it possible to share your special memories using this Wi-Fi digital photo frame, a high-quality 10.1-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1280 by 800, aspect ratio 16:10, makes it a wonderful present for newlyweds, elderly parents, college students, or families that are separated by distance. Number 9. Kids Smartwatch. KidiZoom Smartwatch DX2 is the ideal tech for kids. Kids can capture clear pictures and videos, play games, and tell the time right out of the box with this kid-friendly, dependable smartwatch. This secure, robust watch has a fashionable appearance and is sized for children's wrists. Children may use 2 cameras to take pictures, selfies, and action movies that can then be edited with silly filters in the Silly Me app to create watch faces. You can choose from 55 watch faces that teach kids how to tell time, including digital and analog. It includes cutting-edge games like Monster Detector, which helps kids locate and capture monsters in the real world using the camera and augmented reality. The sleek design is the perfect fit for a child's wrist. This multifunctional smartwatch is similar to Mom and Dad's, but was created specifically for children. Also, it comes in a variety of colors. Number 8. Pixel Art Bluetooth Speaker. This pixel art display can be customized to display whatever pixel art you like. Your fingertip images will appear on the device in real time as you create your own art using the dazzling LED display. It is an LED desk decor, and there are countless animations and other works of art you may display on it. It even comes in a tiny gift box, and that would make a fantastic Christmas or birthday present for someone who likes pixel art, video games, or is a nerd. It has a curved screen that resembles an old CRT TV and a classic design, giving it a classic computer look. The joystick is reminiscent of an old-school arcade, and the tiny keyboard is mechanical. The speaker has a ton more functionality thanks to the smartphone app, which also has a collection of pixel art made by a vibrant community. In addition, it allows you to easily create your own art or choose from the thousands of existing works of art or animations. Number 7. Xbox Stand. The Xbox stand can be kept cool and stored in an all-in-one charging display tower. It includes an improved cooling fan, 2 Xbox Series S controller charging docks, 2 additional 1400 mAh rechargeable batteries, and a slot for gaming headphones. It is excellent for keeping everything necessary charged and arranged in a nice manner in one location. This more advanced, quiet, and powerful cooling system can speed up air circulation, keep your gaming console calm and cool, and extend the life of your gaming console. With an on-off fan switch, you can turn on or off the cooling fan whenever you need to, so you don't have to worry about it getting too hot when charging or playing a game. The 2 wireless controllers can be held and charged in the 2 slots on the vertical cooling stand. Within 4 hours, both of the XSS core controllers can be fully charged. Its built-in LED indication allows you to quickly determine whether it's charging or not. Number 6. Drawing Tablet. An excellent drawing tablet is a must-have, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned graphic designer. Drawing tablets are now available from numerous companies at reasonable prices. A low-cost tablet called the Gaumon Drawing Tablet promises a smooth sketching experience, along with a variety of features. It is a very economical drawing tablet with a variety of fundamental and sophisticated capabilities. The S620's ability to utilize a USB cable to connect connect to any desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone is an intriguing feature. An extra USB adapter is required. The gadget works with Android, Chromebooks, Windows, Windows 7 or above, Mac OS X, OS X 10.10 or higher, and Windows devices 6.0 or higher. Usually the majority of Android devices lack USB ports. If you want to connect the S620 to your smartphone or tablet in this situation, you will require an adapter. Number 5. Sunrise Alarm Clock. The Smart Sunrise Alarm Clock offers 8 relaxing sleep sounds, including white noise, brown noise, fan, waves, frog, lullaby, and light music, to block out distracting outside noises and make it easier for you to fall asleep with ease. It's also perfect for establishing a quiet space. This personalized sleep alarm combines an alarm clock, a music machine, ambient lighting, Bluetooth speakers, a wireless charger, and a weather display. It's frequently used for sleep training, baby sleep, insomnia, meditation, SPA treatments, bathing, celebrations, home decor, bedside lamps, nightstand lamps, and other uses. You may create any ambience you want with the Arch's 9 different dynamic lighting effects and 16 million color options. It is a lovely gift for occasions like birthdays, Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, and so on. Number 4. Kids Camera. The Kids Digital Camera is made of high-quality, non-toxic ABS that is soft on young skin. Its small size and light weight make it ideal for small hands, and it is really adorable. It comes with a sturdy lanyard for carrying convenience, a wonderful present for kids for birthdays, the holidays, and the new year. This children's video camera recorder has a 600 mAh large-capacity rechargeable battery and operates for about 2 hours after being fully charged. It can be connected to a computer to transfer photographs and videos while being charged via USB connection. Children's digital cameras not only allow for the taking of pictures, but also for the recording of voiceovers, continuous shooting, and entertaining games that will challenge their minds. Your child can explore a ton of other enjoyable features. Number 3. Leg Air Massager. With 2 2x2 airbags inside that simulate the kneading and stroking of tissues, this leg and foot air massager is used to massage your feet and calves. It's recommended for the reduction of muscle aches and pains and for boosting circulation to the treated areas. With its handheld controller, this massager is simple to operate. It has 2 massage modes and 3 intensity settings, and it's powered by a DC 12-volt, 1-amp adapter UL plug. No matter if a young person works in an office or if parents or grandparents are at home, this air massager can safely and easily massage the leg and foot for daily use. After prolonged use, it can also improve circulation. Number 2. Bluetooth Tracker. Finding the things you need is simple with TileMate. Mate can be attached to items that you use every day, such as wallets, backpacks, and keys. Open the Tile app, which is completely free, and select Find to find your items. Even if your phone is on silent, you can use it to ring it if it becomes lost. The voice-assisted discovery feature of Mate works with Alexa, Google, and Siri on Apple and Android smartphones. It's waterproof and features a 3-year non-replaceable battery with a range of up to 250 feet or 76 meters. Enlist the secure and private assistance of the Tile network to help you locate your belongings. If your tile goes missing, enter your contact information so that you can be reached if the QR code on your missing tile is scanned. Number 1. Portable Laptop Desk. Do you want to work in bed or on the sofa in a more comfortable position? Do you want to use your favorite chair yet bring your laptop with you? Then HNL D12 Lap Desk can be the ideal choice. It can be used as a laptop desk, work desk, bed desk, lamp stand for a laptop, reading desk, or book tray. This 17 by 12.8 by 3.8 inch laptop desk can accommodate laptops up to 15.6 inches in size. Only laptops that are 14 inches in size or smaller can be used with enough surface area for a mouse. So what do you think about these best Christmas gifts of 2022? Which one do you want to gift to your loved one and why? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.